Penal Code 29805, or 29805 PC for short, is a California law that makes it illegal for people with certain misdemeanor convictions to own, use, or possess a firearm for 10 years. The law is analogous to felon with a firearm. People who are convicted of felonies lose their gun rights under federal law and most state laws. But in California, people convicted of certain misdemeanor offenses also lose their gun rights. We have a complete list of these misdemeanors on our website, but the list includes domestic violence, assault, criminal threats, brandishing a weapon. So if you are convicted of one of these crimes, or you have an active warrant for your arrest for one of these crimes, then under California law, you cannot have a firearm for 10 years. 29805 PC is a wobbler. That means a prosecutor could file it as either a misdemeanor or a felony. As a misdemeanor, it carries up to 1 year in jail. As a felony, it carries up to 3 years in jail or prison. All of that said, the fact is that a lot of innocent people get wrongly accused of this offense. A lot of times, when we look at the person's record, we find that he is not even covered under the statute. He is not even legally barred from having a firearm. Or it may be a situation where the police found a gun, but it really belonged to someone else. Or the cops may have discovered the firearm by way of an illegal search and seizure. We had a case recently where one of our clients was pulled over for a traffic violation, and the police found a revolver in his car. He got arrested and charged with 29805. He was looking at up to 3 years in jail. We were able to convince the judge that the police did not have probable cause to pull him over in the first place. As a result, the evidence was thrown out of court and the case was dismissed. If you have been charged with a gun-related crime here in California, we invite you to call us 24 hours a day here at Shouse Law Group. We may be able to get the charges reduced or dismissed.